came here to attend a wedding. There was nothing political about it. There was no forum he was going to attend. It was a wedding on Saturday. Then we have some holidays. My daughter has just closed school. We were going to give her a few days off in Mombasa. She loves the beach. And that's all it was. So what it has ended up is her totally getting traumatized by seeing her father being picked by 7 men. So
did not have access to a lawyer, and under the law, you do not detain people for charges that you had already framed. All you do is you notify them if you think you have a sustainable charge, and you invite them to come to court on a given date and time. So it is clear that the whole circumstances is supposed to intimidate. It's not just about the charges.
All right, thank you for staying with us on The Big Story. So you have Senior Counsel Otiende Molo giving his thoughts on the arrest of David Ndii, and then you also have Mwende Gatabaki, the wife of David Ndii, just explaining how the arrest happened. Allow me to get the final thoughts from Khalif Khalifa, a human rights activist. Khalif, Otiende Molo says David Ndii was not allowed access to a lawyer, basically just enumerating the fact that this was not carried out according to the law. What are your thoughts before I let you go?
Yes, it happened when we sent our team with 2 in-house lawyers to Diani police station last night. And when they went over there to inquire about the arrest of Dr. David Ndii and the wife and the daughter of Raila Odinga, they were told they were not there, and they were asked to leave the station immediately. So they have to leave. These things are happening every day. So it's unfortunate, but it is happening.
All right, sir. Thank you so much, and for speaking to us on The Big Story. Allow me now